Are you looking for the best sewing machines? In this video we will look at some of the best sewing machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Portable Sewing Sealer Industrial Electric Sewing Machine. Automatic Trimming Design. The automatic trimming function effectively improves work efficiency. The oblique line can only be automatically cut when the wire falls into the card slot. All copper core motors and 150 kW high power motors use thicker copper wires to increase power and improve product stability. The power increases without increasing the weight of the machine. The handle is ergonomically designed, and the side is frosted, which can be manually operated for a long time. Low transmission, wear resistance, high reliability, lightweight, good insulation and compact structure. The centralized design brings compact and reasonable volume settings, and the compact and lightweight design saves more labor and physical strength for workers. Suitable for express delivery industry, food industry, chemical industry, household textile industry, car seat industry, etc. Suitable for sacks, flour bags, rice bags, paper bags, woven bags, plastic bags, laminate bags, etc. Product description: bag sealing machine, portable sewing machine, electric stitching machine, woven bag sealing packaging machine, packaging bag sealing machine, automatic woven bag packaging machine. Number 2. Portable sewing machine for beginners. This household sewing machine is pretty lightweight, only 5.39 pounds, and small in size, 10.8 by 4.8 by 10.2 inches. It's easy to store and designed with a handle. All sewing machines are equipped with a LED lamp, the foot pedal, metal threader, thread cutter, which is easy to operate and could meet almost all the needs of home sewing. The newly upgraded mini sewing machine has a variety of intimate and practical functions: storage drawer, winding function, upper thread elastic adjustment, reverse stitch function, dual-threaded, 2-speed, double power supply. Design makes it easier for you to choose the mode that suits you most. Even sewing a button is an easy thing. Mini sewing machine could meet your DIY sewing needs: home decoration, crafts, prom dresses, pet clothes, etc. to make your life more colorful. The elegant and cute appearance makes it a best choice for you as a great gift to your friends, family or kids on Christmas, Mother's Day. Designed with a non-slip bottom pad and made of environmentally friendly materials, including UL certified cables and 3C certified power supplies. The electric sewing machine equipped with 6 volts inline energy saving power supply, 4 AA batteries, not included. The electric sewing machine also has an anti-slip mat on the bottom. Number 3. Vont electric sewing machine. Our sewing machine provides 38 commonly sewing line types, equipped with foot switches, to easily control the sewing speed of high and low to meet different scenarios and needs. The line type and speed of the sewing machines can be easily adjusted through button. The dual thread sewing machine is easy to operate and has complete functions, suitable for most household sewing needs. It has detailed guidance instructions and meets the comprehensive needs of initial sewing enthusiasts. A testing cloth is included under the sewing needle. Before formal use, you can test first. If you have any questions about operation, please feel free to contact us at any time. The Vont sewing machine with suitable needles can smoothly eat 7-layer thick fabrics without needle broken and stuck. The reverse sewing making the stitches more stable and less prone to thread opening. The newly upgraded mini sewing machine has a variety of intimate and practical functions: tangential cutter, LED lighting, storage drawer, winding function, upper thread elastic adjustment, reverse stitch function, double switch control. You can easily replace the metal presser foot or sew a button and a buttonhole. Number 4. Mini sewing machine for beginners. Mini sewing machine with built-in reverse stitch, and 12 other different kinds of stitch patterns, including zigzagging stitches, straight stitches, etc. to meet your different sewing needs. All stitch widths and stitch lengths can be preset. Simply adjust the button to the appropriate number to meet your needs. Dimensions: 10.4 x 5.1 x 9.5 inches. Features: lightweight, 4.3 pounds. After connecting the power 6 volts, 1200 milliamperes, the LED light is automatically turned on, meeting your mending needs in dark places. With detailed manual. The household sewing machine is great for tailors that are at the beginning of their road or more advanced users that want to improve their skills. The kids' sewing machine features include automatic bobbin winder, easy select stitch style, work light, cuff notch for easy cuff alterations. A foot pedal is also included. You can control the operation more flexibly according to your needs. Portable sewing machine could meet your DIY sewing needs. Home decoration, crafts, prom dresses, pet clothes, etc. to make your life more colorful. Package contains 2 pieces 14 hasher needles, which is suitable for sewing and commonly used medium thick fabrics. Number 5. Handmade DIY clothing electric sewing machine. Handmade DIY clothing sewing supplies household electric sewing machine, high quality mini sewing machine, edge locking machine.